I didn't start out planning to build a green house, but we met Bill Davis, who had a wonderful reputation in this area. He actually built a house for my daughter and son-in-law. My primary motivation was, how could we make our house more effective for us and save money in the process?
Yes, I'm Bill Davis with Bill Davis Construction. We've been building homes for 32 years in the Boise Valley. In the process of learning how to build, a lot of it turns out to be more of a green philosophy. You use your material up, you move it from job to job, you don't throw anything away that can be used. That's one of the philosophies that we live by and we build by.
I was very naive at the time, and we were asking questions about solar and geothermal and wind power and so forth. And I began to discover that most of those things aren't practical for the average homeowner. But then we started learning about insulation and building materials and scrap and windows and all the things that can make a house more energy efficient. I'll give you one example. When they talked to me about engineered lumber, I thought, what in the world is engineered lumber? I grew up in Oregon, and we use wood. We use studs to build houses. But then they showed me that engineered lumber is the kind of material that doesn't use as much of the material that you take, I guess, out of a tree somehow, and it builds a better house. So how can you beat that? Sounds like a great idea to me.
iLevel's made it easy for Bill Davis Construction for many years through their employees and their products.
We've had great experience with the timber strand studs, especially in the big balloon walls over here behind us. It's all about minimizing warranty issues for us. We don't like callbacks, and we don't like to have our homeowners have to have callbacks.
Bill and Braden indicated to me the companies that they were working with and the materials they were using, and that got me interested in iLevel. And so I started reading some of the promotional material in the brochures and talking to Bill, and realized that here was a division of a company that was just focused on these kinds of issues. And I thought that this makes sense. So when I talked to Bill, and Bill was into the iLevel materials, it struck me as certainly an excellent possibility for us when we were building the house. But the whole process of being involved with Bill Davis and learning from all these subcontractors and watching what they do, walking through the house at various stages, opened my eyes to all the things that can be done for a reasonable cost that have long-run payoffs. But there are things in the walls or above the ceiling that the average consumer knows nothing about, that don't add significantly to the cost of building a home.
To be green means to be efficient, to do a good job, to present your buyer or your owner with a product that you can be proud of that will last for many, many years.
I think it's about smart choices, especially in a big investment like a home. I've had nothing but good luck using iLevel products, especially the people involved.